This past month, us and two friends packed our bags and headed to Colorado for a last-minute trip.
Clothing brand Sociale Revolution wanted us to document our adventure and capture the essence of a creator.
Although we encountered wolves, dented the car, swam in a freezing creek, and got stranded in the mountains at midnight, the journey exceeded anything we could have imagined.
This is a glimpse into our road trip.
One of the most humbling experiences you can have as a filmmaker is when a camera simply doesn't do the moment justice.
But those are the moments we live for.